What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the TP-Link AC750 Mesh Wi-Fi Range Extender I picked up using Amazon Prime for $29.99, down from $34.99. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4 out of 5 out of 19,290 customer reviews. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing, a first impressions. We're going to answer some questions some customers had about this product, and we're going to be doing an installation at the very end of the video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. So what's really nice about this TP-Link AC750 is it does come with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 technical support, just like basically every other TP-Link product comes with. What's really cool about this Mesh Wi-Fi Range Extender is it does support smart roaming, which is not really a technical specification. Smart roaming is just the idea of being able to walk around your house and get Wi-Fi reception everywhere. It does come with a WPS button, it does come with an Ethernet port, and it does come with this intelligent LED light on the front of the device that basically lets you know if the signal is weak or strong. So it's really nice that you can sort of move this around the house as you need to, and when you're setting it up, it'll make it really easy to figure out, you know, is the range going to be enough at this outlet, or is it too little at this outlet? Some questions people had about the AC750 on Amazon that I wanted to address. Does this sort of mimic the name and password of your Wi-Fi router? And the answer to that is yes. So I really like that. So as soon as you sign up for your TP-Link Tether app, which you will need to download from the App Store or from the Google Play Store, then you can add the device to your devices list and then connect to your router, and it should copy the name and password of the router. I was reading some of the answers, and in your devices list, this will come up as a Wi-Fi range extender. So your router name will come up, but after your router name, it'll say .ext, and that will signify that this is your range extender. And then from there, you can actually connect to it and type in the password for your router. Really cool stuff. Let's go ahead and see what comes in the box. So this is the newer model. This is the RE220. There is also an RE200, I believe. Both support 750 megabits per second transfer speeds. They can support up to about 20 devices simultaneously, and I believe they support 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz networks. One thing that I don't like about the RE220, HD streaming and not 4K streaming. As you see in the box, we get the quick installation guide, which you probably should read. And then last but not least, we get the Wi-Fi range extender, the AC750 here. Let's go ahead and just take it out of its packaging here. And as you can see, it is just this sort of glossy white. It's got this checkered. I would like to see it come in black as well, so that you could maybe hide it a little bit better. I imagine that this white will sort of stand out. If we actually flip over the Wi-Fi range extender, you can see the Ethernet port at the bottom there for a faster connection if you need one. And of course, you get a little reset button just in case you need to reset the Wi-Fi router. It only supports HD streaming and not 4K streaming. So if you want to step up to 4K streaming, you're gonna have to pay a little bit more. Not sure what the particular model name is for the range extender that does support 4K streaming, but TP-Link does sell one, and if you're interested, I'll link it in the description below so you can find that one. Without further ado, guys, that was basically the unboxing and the first impressions. Let's go ahead and do the setup and installation, which you will need the TP-Link Tether app. So if we just go ahead and click the TP-Link Tether app, you will have to sign in with the username and password. Okay guys, so as you can see, the reason we're installing this Wi-Fi range extender here today is because we actually have this beautiful patio outdoors that we love to enjoy but don't get Wi-Fi reception on, unfortunately. So what I did was I found the perfect spot. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and see if this will work or not. So we'll go ahead and plug her in there, and as you can see, I'm not getting any lights. There it is. So you go to Wi-Fi and TP-Link extender should come up right away. And then once you connect to it, you'll want to go back to the TP-Link tether application, and then we'll say I'm connected. And now it's going to search for the TP-Link range extender. Okay, so once you've got the password set up for the range extender, we'll go ahead and connect it to our Wi-Fi network. And once you have connected it to your router, once you've identified your router like we did on the previous page, then it'll apply your settings, which hopefully takes sooner rather than later. Okay, real quick guys, so I just want to show you we are all green on the Wi-Fi extender. That's exactly what you want it to look like. This should be perfect for our outdoor patio. Okay, so once it's done applying your network settings, you're going to want to go ahead and click location looks good, and then we'll just click done, and congratulations, we're all set. And then as you can see, through the TP-Link tether app, you have access to all of the devices and range extenders that you have set up. So the Wi-Fi range extender is extending its signal to outdoors, which is absolutely what we wanted in the first place. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, first impressions, and installation of the TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi range extender I picked up using Amazon Prime for $29.99, down from $39.99. It gets 4 out of 5 stars out of 19,290 customer reviews. I just set it up on a whim, unboxed it, really simple stuff, and like I said, it covers up to 1,200 square foot, which is more than what we need for around here. Like I said, we're just covering this patio here, so and maybe downstairs a little bit. We really don't have any problems downstairs, just out here on the patio. But anyways, super happy. Definitely a really convenient thing to have around the house is a Wi-Fi range extender. Whenever you need to extend your Wi-Fi to an outdoor area or maybe into a garage or something like that, this is just absolutely perfect. And actually, maybe we will move the Wi-Fi range extender into the garage, because we will be setting up a TV in the garage in the coming weeks maybe. So maybe we'll need it for like the Fire Stick or something, and maybe it'll just reach through this wall. Not sure. We're gonna have to try that out. But anyways guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. My name is John. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.